Funnels don't work anymore. I know that sounds crazy, but hear me out. If you're an affiliate marketer or you're selling some kind of digital courses or coaching program, you may have noticed that all of your funnels, pretty much, they're just full of 80% dead leads, right? You email them, you do all the things that the gurus are telling you to do with your email list, and nobody seems to open them, nobody seems to care. You're spending all this money on ads and you're doing all this other stuff, and it's like, most of my leads don't even care what I put out. They don't give a crap. That's because trust is at an all-time low. Think about how funnels operate. The idea is to take somebody who's never heard of you ever in their entire life, sees an ad, then goes over to your funnel and asks for an email. Already that's a tall ask. Already, why do you need my email? What is this stuff? But when they give you the email, after they get whatever it was that they went to go see, masterclass, a webinar, something like that, they're just leaving. They're just like, oh, great, I got the thing. I'm not interested in buying stuff. I don't even know who you are, man. And I don't blame them because, again, trust is at an all-time low. So no more funnels. If you're going to be marketing in 2025 and beyond, especially doing affiliate marketing like I do or selling your own courses like I do, if you're going to be doing that stuff, there's a new funnel. The old funnels don't work. So technically, funnels still work, but not the kind that you're thinking of. Not a bunch of little web pages and all that stuff. Since trust is at an all-time low, let me actually show you the system for 2025 and beyond that not only I'm using, but anyone who knows what the hell they're talking about is going to be using. Let's take a look at it. Now, as I said, the old funnel doesn't work anymore, but anybody who is not in the know, real quick, this is what the old funnel looks like. If you were running affiliate marketing campaigns, or you were selling some kind of course or MRR or something like that, you were running ads to the landing page, right? There's landing, where somebody needs to put in their email, right? Email, great. And blah, 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 blah. Then there's the offer. There may be other steps in there, but you get the idea. Think about the tall ask. This is an actual human being. And what we need to know about human beings and the trend of human beings in 2024, right now at the time of this recording, is they don't trust any freaking body. If you ask anyone on planet Earth right now, everything's a scam. Everyone is a scam. Times are bad. This kind of funnel just is not going to work because not only is about 80% of them just going to end up dead leads and you'll never hear from them again, so you're wasting money on nothing, but also because they're not going to buy. People are just not buying, and they're not buying in high enough numbers. Let's say this is a $9 offer, in high enough numbers to pay you back. Forget making a profit, even breaking even on your ad spend. So we're not doing this funnel stuff anymore. Let me show you what we're doing instead. So instead, for example, I am going to start with the front end of my new funnel. The new way that we run funnels is going to be a hi, nice to meet you. Not a lead turning into a customer, but just a stranger turning into a follower. From a follower, we want them to become a friend. So let's say this is stranger down here. So that same stranger that saw an ad before, now they're going to see my Instagram. So they become a follower. And I'm going to show you the secret power in a minute that I'm going to use to grow my Instagram. I literally don't have an Instagram. If you've seen me on Instagram, it's either an old account, a faked account, a hacked account, an account I don't use anymore. I'm just not on Instagram. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get on Instagram and start a brand new account from zero. And in that Instagram account, the way that I'm going to get followers very fast is instead of paying for these junky ads, right, that basically are trying to get people to buy right away, we're going to spend some money and we're going to get follower ads, because that's my goal, right? All I want at this level is I want followers, so I'll just pay for them. And here's the thing about follower ads, guys. It seems like, oh, it's a waste of money. It is not. It is not, because number one, you can get followers for extremely cheap on Instagram. We're talking real people, right? Not bots or anything like that. But this is your new list of people. This is the people who all we have to do now is turn them from follower, believe it or not, to friend. This is why I'm such a big fan of personal branding if you're going to do affiliate marketing. I know that I teach faceless affiliate marketing, but you can make 1,000,000 times more if you actually are on camera and want to build your personal brand, because if you can make people your friend, people buy from their friends all the freaking time. This is me. This is you waving. You waving. I know it looks like it's not a hand, it's a cloud. I can't draw, but you become people's friend. So they go from follower to friend. Why are they friend? Because you're giving a lot of value away on your social media. You're giving a lot of value. You want to make sure that you're giving a lot of value, because when you do, people look at you as a friend. They actually know and trust your opinion on things. Then from friend, then we go to customer. Again, because this is why people buy from anyone online, is because no trust that person. A personal brand is going to go a hell of a lot longer, a long way, years and years, and last you forever. You know, I get it that a lot of people want to build faceless companies now because it's trending, and I do teach it. It does work. It does make money. I'm not telling you it doesn't. I'm telling you that if you look at the top earners online, the people who've really changed their entire life, well, they're all personal brands. Whether you like them or hate them, they're all personal brands. There's some magic to that, right? You want to build your marketing off you, because people like authenticity. You don't have to be fake. You don't have to be somebody you're not. I never, ever am, no matter if people like me or not. You just have to be yourself. But always lead with value. Always lead with, hey, this is why you should trust my opinion. This is what I think. Give people your thoughts. Give people as much training as you possibly can. Show them your authority. Show them you know what you're talking about. This leads to a hell of a lot more money than the old-fashioned funnel stuff. Funnels, the sales funnel stuff, it's just not working nowadays. I don't care what guru tells you that it's working. You have to figure out, if they're giving you all these copy and paste courses and funnels, why are they giving them to you if these funnels made them so much money? Why would they create their own competition? It's because they know those funnels aren't working anymore. So they're just selling you the funnel now. This is the real business. If you really look at behind the curtain of the Wizard of Oz, this is what's going on. This is what every big guru who's making a ton of money is doing right now. They're depending on your trust with them, including me. I'm not talking like a conspiracy theory. I always just tell you guys what's really working. I'm not going to give you gimmicks. I'm not going to do any of this stuff. I'm going to tell you, hey, making money online is really not hard. It's just you don't know what to believe. You use your own thinking and look at this and tell me this is not what you see 99.9% of the time of anyone who's doing extremely well. If they don't have it doesn't have to be Instagram, could be YouTube, could be something, but they have a following, and that's how they're doing it. Nothing else matters. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. There are other videos on this YouTube channel. You guys love it, live it, learn it, comment, subscribe if you like me. Leave a hate comment if you want. That's okay too. All right, guys, I'll see you later. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.